All right, so what is better, Dell or HP for Ubuntu? So I'm going to tell you my experience, how I solve these type of issues. So if just in case, if you have to deal with a customer computer, or if you have to buy a computer just for Linux, I'll show you what I did with both brands. All right, so as you can see here, I have a HP. This is the Z Book, as you can see here. Hopefully, all right. Now you can see much better. So the problem that I was having with this computer, I tried to install Ubuntu. Yes, it will install it, but you're going to have some issue with the group, so the booting system, and I couldn't make it work. So I didn't want to spend hours and hours just to make it work. I was doing some research, and I saw a lot of people complaining about the same thing with HP. So basically what I did to make it work, I installed SUSE, OpenSUSE, and it works fine. At least this version, Leap, I was able to make it just to work just fine without any issue. So as you can see here, I have another computer. This is an HP as well, and this is a workstation. So this computer, that they are like very expensive, and I had the same issue. So I put the bootable here, and the Ubuntu didn't even boot up. So it was like frozen and nothing was happening, and that's it. So what I did is I tried with another brand, a Dell computer. With Dell computer, it works just fine. So I'll show you. All right, so as you can see, I have an Ubuntu computer here. I mean, with the Dell computer. So this is the computer I'm using right now. So I'm copying some files for a customer. And with this computer, Ubuntu, just I put the thumb drive. So the same thumb drive that I use in the other computer that I was talking about before, the workstation. The same one wasn't working at all. The HP, the laptop, I was able to install it, but it wasn't booting up at all. So the same thing. So I use it here, and here it works just fine. So if you have to install Ubuntu, just Dell is better. And if you have an HP computer, OpenSUSE works just fine. So that is my experience with this. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.